Are you a forex trader here in Africa that has been finding it difficult to know the right trading system or the right strategy that works for you? Especially due to the bad internet situation, unstable electricity, high volatility, and sometimes high broker spread. Do not worry anymore, because this video is for you. In this video, I'll be talking about true trading system that actually has been proven to work and tested, that has been proven and tested here in Africa. And by the end of this video, trust me, you will know which one fits your trading lifestyle. Yeah. Hi, my name is Koda FS, your forex mentor here in Africa. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with people that might need it, because I share simple practical forex tips for African traders or Nigerian traders. Number one on my list is London Breakout Session. Yeah. Now you want to ask, why is this particular strategy important in Africa? It is important in Africa because during the London session, most African traders are weak. So which means that the London session overlaps with our local time zone. In this particular session, if you can identify your key zones, and use a simple breakout level from the Asian range, a simple London breakout level from the Asian range, you can catch yourself a clean move with minimal stress. Yeah, this particular system is good for traders that like to just that don't like to sit watching their trades. Yeah, so they just take one or two trades for the day and they are done. Number two on my list is swing trading using support and resistance. You also want to ask, why is this particular system important or good in Africa? Yeah, it is important and good in Africa because a lot of African traders suffer the challenge of bad internet and bad electricity. So all you need to do as a swing trader is go to your higher time frame, identify your key zone, know where the market is trending to, and set your trade using proper stop loss and take profit and let the market do its work. This particular approach is very good for new beginner traders because it helps them build emotionally. This particular kind of trade, you don't have to sit and watch your trade all day. Just one trade and you let the market do its work. Very, very good for beginner traders that are starting to learn trading new. Yeah, because it helps them build emotionally. And number three, last but not the least, is news-based trading. If you are the kind of trader that understands or knows the key economic events time in the United States, you can take very good advantage of those wide price moves. Yes. So the trick is not to gamble. The trick is to plan. What you need to do is get your calendar, mark the day, and wait for the particular time that particular event is happening, and then set your trade using pending orders or volatility friendly setup, and boom, you can make quick money in real time, in very short amount of time. This particular system is very common among Nigerian traders because it saves them from long waiting time, and it helps them make quick and impactful profits in real time. So a recap of everything that I've said so far. I started with the London Breakout Session, which is obviously very good for people that wants to take the sharp move because of the volatility during that particular time. So it's good for people that wants to make use of the sharp move during that time. And I talk about the swing trading using support and resistance, which I said is very good for people that don't like babysitting their chart. It also helps. The approach is also very good for beginner traders because it helps them build emotionally when it comes to trading. And last but not the least is news-based trading, which of course a lot of Nigerians take very good advantage of because it gives them quick money in real time. Yeah, so the big question now is, which of these particular systems that I've listed or mentioned fits your trading lifestyle? Drop it in the comment section. I'll reply personally. Until we meet again, don't forget to trade smart, keep your take profit tight and your stop loss tighter. Peace out.